In the world of health-conscious eating, finding a dessert that fits into a specific dietary regime while still satisfying that sweet tooth can be a challenge. For those following a ketogenic diet, the quest for a low-carb, sugar-free dessert that still tastes indulgent is never-ending. Enter the Keto Apple Pie, a delightful twist on a classic dessert, reimagined to suit a low-carb lifestyle without compromising on taste. The keto diet and its restrictions. The ketogenic diet, commonly known as keto, is a high-fat, moderate protein, and low-carbohydrate diet. It focuses on the consumption of fats for energy, thus limiting carbohydrates drastically. Traditional desserts like apple pie, which typically contain high amounts of sugar and flour, are off-limits in a strict keto diet. However, with a few creative adjustments, it's possible to enjoy a delicious apple pie that's keto-friendly. The challenge of creating a keto apple pie. Creating a keto apple pie poses several challenges, primarily in replacing high-carb ingredients like sugar and flour. The key is to find suitable substitutes that maintain the texture and flavor of the traditional pie. Ingredients for the keto apple pie. 1. Crust. Almond flour, a popular low-carb substitute for traditional flour. Coconut flour, adds structure and a slight sweetness. Butter, ensures a rich, flaky crust. Egg, binds the crust together. Sweetener, a keto-friendly sweetener like erythritol or stevia. 2. Filling. Zucchini or chayote squash, these mimic the texture of apples when cooked and are low in carbs. Apple extract, to provide the apple flavor without the carbs. Cinnamon and nutmeg, essential spices for that classic apple pie taste. Lemon juice, adds freshness and helps in mimicking the tartness of apples. Sweetener, again, a keto-friendly option. 3. Topping, optional. Whipped cream, a dollop of sugar-free whipped cream can enhance the pie. Preparing the keto apple pie. 1. Making the crust. Combine almond flour, coconut flour, sweetener, and a pinch of salt. Cut in cold butter until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Add an egg and mix to form a dough. Press the dough into a pie dish and bake until slightly golden. 2. Preparing the filling. Peel and slice the zucchini or chayote squash thinly. Cook the slices with sweetener, lemon juice, apple extract, cinnamon, and nutmeg until they soften. Let the mixture cool and thicken. 3. Assembling the pie. Fill the pre-baked crust with the cooled filling. Optionally, top with a lattice crust made from the same dough. Bake until the top crust is golden. Serving the keto apple pie. Serve the pie warm or at room temperature. For an extra indulgence, top with a dollop of sugar-free whipped cream or a scoop of keto-friendly ice cream. Conclusion. This keto apple pie is more than just a dessert, it's a testament to the creativity and adaptability of modern cooking. It allows those on a ketogenic diet to indulge in a classic favorite without guilt. This recipe proves that dietary restrictions don't have to mean the end of enjoying delicious desserts. With the right ingredients and a bit of ingenuity, you can recreate almost any favorite dish to fit your dietary needs.